Good evening, parents. My name is Makryllos, and I am your child's PreAP World History and Geography teacher and Civics teacher for the 2021-22 school year. A little bit about myself. I am a graduate of USF. I hold bachelor's in social science education, history, and interdisciplinary classics. This is my 22nd year teaching in Pinellas County Schools and my 12th year as a Highlander. I am happily married with 2 children. I have a 9th grader, Mihalia, and an 8th grader, Vasily. When I am not teaching, I like to spend time with family, reading, and just being out on the water. This year, I will be teaching Civics and PreAP World History and Geography. Let's begin with Civics. The purpose of Civics is to enable students to develop the knowledge and skills necessary for active participation in a democratic society. Students are required to take an end-of-course assessment in May, which will count 30% of their final year grade for this course. PreAP World History and Geography is just that. It's a pre-advanced placement history class that will prepare students for advanced placement classes in high school. Dunedin Middle is one of 12 schools in the county piloting this class for this new school year. In PreAP History, we will explore regional geography and its emergence of ancient and classical civilizations, beginning with the agricultural revolution through 600 BC. Students who successfully complete this course are able to earn 1 high school credit. We will be using Canvas daily in class. All agendas, assignments, activities, projects will be posted in Canvas. We will also be using Clever, as Clever is the learning hub for Pinellas County Schools. PreAP students should have already established and created a myap.collegeboard.org account. If the student hasn't done so already, they need to do this. All College Board assessments and performance tasks will be on this College Board website. Their College Board account will carry over with the students into high school. They will use College Board for their AP classes, as well as registering for the SAT and the SAT. Students will need to bring their laptop and charger to class every day, in addition to their composition or spiral notebook. They will also need writing utensils, colored pencils, and highlighters, as we do a lot of text markings in class, and of course, a positive attitude. All students enrolled in PreAP World History and Geography are required to complete an NHD project. The theme for this year's National History Day is Debate and Diplomacy in History. The final project is going to be due by January 20th. There is an Everything NHD module in Canvas for you and your students to refer to for any questions. We are spending most Fridays working on NHD in class, but the majority of this project will need to be done outside of school hours. The PreAP students will be attending Finance Park in mid-February. We will be needing parent volunteers. As soon as a definite date is set, I will be sending home information. We will be needing parent volunteers to make this a successful field trip. So how can your child earn a good grade in this class? It's simple. They just need to do their work. If there's no work, there's no grade. Students are given plenty of time in class to complete an activity. If the assignment is not completed during class time, it is the expectation the student take the activity home and complete it for homework. If a student is absent, it is their responsibility to check Canvas and focus for any missed work. As mentioned earlier, the daily agendas can be found in the Announcements tab on Canvas, and all the activities, assignments, notes, whatever we do in class can be found in the Modules tab. The modules are set up by week, so all activity completed for a certain week will be found in that module. If a student has additional concerns, needs more time, or question, they can always email me through Canvas or through their PCSB Outlook account. I want to thank you for attending our open house this year. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, You can always email me at makryllos@pcsb.org. Thank you and have a good evening.